Hi bakers, hi, I'm Jill, founder of Kids Baking Club. And one of the questions I get asked is, what is a preheated oven? A preheated oven is that you heat the oven to the temperature perfect for when you're ready to put your ingredients, your recipe, your dishes into the oven. The reason for that is that it needs to start baking right away. Now this is really important when you're using ingredients like baking powder, baking soda, eggs, cream of tartar. These are ingredients that when they hit liquid and then the heat, they start working right away. If you put it in an oven that has not been preheated, then it doesn't know what to do. And then it just kind of sits there and kind of warms up with the oven to the temperature, and then you get a flat cake, flat cookies, not the best looking cupcakes. So it's important that you preheat your oven exactly the temperature that it calls for it to bake throughout the recipe. Just wanted to give you that quick tip. That's what preheating means. All right, we'll see you next time.